In today's tutorial, we are learning how to create this stunning apple glass effect in PowerPoint completely from scratch. And here's the cool part. It automatically adjusts to the background. It works with icon and text. And it's fully customizable. Let's jump in. Start with blank slide. Now insert your image. Then duplicate the picture. Click on Format Picture. Go to Picture Correction tab. Now drag the sharpness all the way to the left to blur it. Next, right click and cut the blur image. Picture or texture fill and click Clipboard to paste the blur image as the slide background. You should now see two layers, a blur lock background and a movable image. Now, insert circle shape and place it where you want. Go to Fill and choose Slide Background Fill. This gives it that beautiful blur look. Let's make it pop with a gradient border. Click Line, Gradient Line, set one to white, remove the extra stop, set the other to gray and make it fully transparent. Set the angle to 135 degree and you will get a smooth highlight effect. Add a soft shadow. I recommend offset center and increase the blur slightly for a cleaner effect. Now go to 3D format, bevel, choose circular bevel and adjust this setting. Width 25 point, height 10 point. That gives you the realistic bubble glass look. Now let's place your logo or icon right in the center. Then group everything together. You can now move the glass elements anywhere on the slide and it will automatically adjust to the background underneath. Want more shape? Insert a rounded rectangle and align it to the center. Now duplicate the original glass elements, ungroup it, delete the logo and use Format Painter to copy the glass style onto the new shape. If the blur stops working, just go to Fill, click on Slide Background Fill and it will fix itself instantly. Insert text box and type Apple Glass Effect. Group it with the shape and you are done. Now go to full screen and check it out. This clean modern glass effect looks amazing. Blends perfectly with your background and adds a professional Apple style touch to your presentation. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and check the description for more tutorials and my full PowerPoint design collection. See you in the next one and happy designing.